Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll let you know how to create a subdomain in cPanel. So like earlier, the subdomain was here in the domain section, but currently in cPanel's version 106, the option have been changed. So cPanel version 106 have been released since mid of 2022. So here is their release note. So they have removed addend domain, alias domain, and subdomain features. So by removing from subdomain menu, they have kept everything here in the domain section. So, so to create a subdomain in cPanel 106 version or later, so you have to go to your cPanel and domain section and click on the domains option. So see, here you can see I have couple of subdomain. Susoma.in is my primary domain and beta.susoma.in is a subdomain. So I will create another subdomain. Let's say here is the option create a domain. So all I need to click is so my subdomain. Let's say I want to create another subdomain in demo.susoma.in. So here I have to submit. So now you can see my subdomain is created, that is demo.susoma.in. It has been created. So like my domain is not using the GoDaddy's default name server or the servers, my hosting's default name server. The domain is using Cloudflare name server. So after creating the subdomain, so I need to change the a record through Cloudflare. So here I am in the Cloudflare panel. So I need to go to the DNS setting. So my server's IP is this. So I need to add another record, add a record, that is a record, demo and IP. So you can see the demo, a record of the demo is already added here. So now the process of subdomain creation is already done. You can see, you can go to the cPanel's home page and file manager, then www. Here is the root directory of demo subdomain. So when I will type this in, so you can see this subdomain is created. So this much for today. Thank you very much.